Rodentia, commonly called rodents. They have a single pair of continuously growing front teeth in each upper and lower jaw. 40% of all mammal species are rodents, native to all continents except Antarctica. They include the house mouse, beaver, capybara, squirrels, and many others. Chiroptera. Also called bats. Their forelimbs are adapted as wings and are the only mammals capable of true sustained flight. 20% of all mammal species are bats. They range from the largest flying foxes at a wingspan of 1.7 meters to the bumblebee bat at 6 inches across. Primates, one of the most diverse mammal orders. Common characteristics include unspecialized structure with specialized behavior, short muzzle, bad sense of smell, prehensile 5-digit hands, a large brain, and a long prenatal and postnatal development. Famously includes monkeys, apes, and humans. Carnivora. Members are carnivores. They are specialized in eating flesh and are the 5th most common type of mammal. Carnivores can be found in all major land masses, biomes, and oceans, divided into 2 suborders, cat-like and dog-like. Artiodactyla, named after their even toes. Members of this order bear their weight on an even number of toes. They also digest plant cellulose in one or more of their stomach chambers. Common members include the pig, camels, giraffes, and whales. Diprotodontia, one of the orders of marsupials. They are characterized by having 2 forward teeth on the lower jaw and 3 pairs of teeth on the upper jaw. Almost always herbivores, with few exceptions. Members of this order are restricted to the continent of Australasia, where they are native, and includes kangaroos, Lagomorpha, named after hares and hare-like creatures, identified by having 2 pairs of front teeth in the upper jaw. Unlike rodents, all hair-formed teeth continuously grow. Strictly herbivorous, they can be found in almost all landmasses. Members include the rabbit, hares, and pikas. Didelphimorphia. Also called opossums, they are a marsupial order native to the Americas. They are small, only growing to the size of a house cat. With long snouts and a small brain case, they walk with their feet flat on the ground. Although originating in South America, the Virginia opossum is endemic to the US and Canada. Dasyuromorphia, carnivorous marsupials. They have a moderately long body, long pointed head, long tail, and short legs. Usually nocturnal, members of this order sometimes forage or bask during the daytime, comprising quolls, numbats, the Tasmanian devil, and many others. Aphrosoricida. They tend to be small animals and have a variable low body temperature. This order includes the golden moles of southern Africa, the otter shrews of equatorial Africa, and the tenrecs of Madagascar. Eulipotyphla. Members of this order tend to be physically small, have long pointed snouts, many sharp teeth, and small eyes and ears. They eat mostly insects and are known to live underground. Includes moles, shrews, and hedgehogs. Cingulata. Armored mammals. They have a leathery armored shell and sharp claws used for digging, with short legs that can move surprisingly fast. They are omnivores but mostly eat insects. Armadillos are the only surviving members of this order. Paramelemorphia. Endemic to Australia and New Guinea. They are plump, have arched backs, long tapered snouts, large upright ears, with thin legs and tails. They are very light and on average weigh around 1 kilogram. Scandentia. Also called tree shrews. They make up the entire order, being small mammals native to South and Southeast Asia. Characteristics include long furred tail and good vision. Tree shrews are omnivores, though they mostly eat fruits. They are not true shrews and are closely related to primates. Perissodactyla, named after their odd toes. Members of this order bear their weight on an odd number of toes. They also digest plant cellulose in their intestines. Common members include horses, zebras, and rhinoceros. Macrocyllidae, also called elephant shrews, getting their name from their long elephant-like snouts. They are fast mammals with a relatively large brain. Mostly eating insects, they are a solitary animal, but can live in monogamous pairs. Pilosa. The name comes from the Latin word for hairy. Native to the Americas, this order includes anteaters and sloths. They have sharp front claws and tiny brains. With no incisors and poorly developed molars, some species don't even have any teeth, monotremata. They are the only mammals to lay eggs rather than birthing their young. Compared to other mammals, they have a slightly different structure of brains, jaws, digestive tract, reproductive tract, and some others. They have modified snouts, while the adults have no teeth. Members include echidnas and platypuses. Sirenia, also called sea cows, they are an order of fully aquatic herbivorous mammals, commonly having a large and robust body. They have heavy bones which act as a ballast to counter the buoyancy of their blubber. Although they have thick skin, their thin layer of blubber allows them to feel temperature changes, allowing them to migrate during colder seasons. Members include the dugong and manatees, Proboscidea. Living members include elephants and only elephants. They are some of the largest known land mammals. Characterized by their tusks, long trunks, and large legs. Their trunks are multi-purpose and are used for breathing, grasping objects, and bringing food and water to their mouths.